El fútbol es un idioma universal. Con un balón puedes comunicarte de cualquier manera.
I've always felt a connection to other people in the world through my connection to soccer, and so I was excited to come to somewhere where I didn't speak the language, where I didn't know the culture, didn't know the people, and yet I could take that connection that I already felt and apply it there.
I was kind of nervous because it's like brand new people, I've like never met anyone, but I was definitely excited to go to Peru and like do this like new adventure by myself with people I've never met before.
When you come into a foreign place, it's easy to be really intimidated by cultural and language barriers, and having soccer as a foundation to stand on and really gain confidence from and express yourself is huge.
Playing inside a stadium and getting hang of their drills and just their dynamic in general was fun because they have a competitive style while still having a lot of fun.
Having players from the United States being able to become immersed in a different level of joy for the game of soccer allows them to discover how passionate they actually are about the game.
Creo que el fútbol los ayuda a despejarse, a disfrutar, a ser alegres, a poder alcanzar sus sueños.
For me to be able to talk to kids and communicate kids through like soccer, I think that's really cool. Like on the beach, we met kids, they met us, and we just kind of hopped in and had a game going.
People see a ball and people see smiling faces and you got a game and you make new friends and there's a connection.
And yeah, the girls wanted to play. They just kind of like needed the little push and like another girl to bring them in and be like, hey, this is fun, like you can do it too.
I think you can feel the passion and the energy and the love for the game in these kids. You can just tell they want to genuinely help and they see so much potential in these kids. Like no one slips through the holes.
Queremos que por parte del fútbol los chicos tengan una disciplina, una educación que les pueda ayudar a futuro.
No todo es material. Cuando ustedes llegan y les dan este trato, este cariño, los tratan como seres humanos, como personas. Es muy lindo porque los niños se sienten muy alegres y su mentalidad cambia, crece para bien.
We want to provide something sustainable for the community, and our Woza players have had some very good questions. They seem very interested in finding a sustainable way to continue to help even when we're back home.
In our effort to ensure that all these relationships are sustainable, we make a much bigger difference, and the connection that we make is just kind of unparalleled.
My mind has been expanded to how powerful and how incredible soccer can be when it's used to help people and inspire people and just have people have fun.
We've come together with our different strengths and all of the different perspective from different states, different religions, cultures across America has helped us be the most impactful.
It's something that everyone should definitely get to experience. It changes your perspective on soccer, people in general. It's just so much fun. You meet so many people and you learn so much about yourself and different parts of the world.
Everyone is uncomfortable being in a new place, so speak the language, eat the food, talk to people, put yourself out there, play some soccer, and you'll have a great time.
Regardless of how old you are, how good you are at soccer, as long as you're open-minded and willing to work with other people, you're gonna have a lot of fun.
People are always asking, like, so excited, when the Woza people come? It means like a lot because they teach us. Thank you to Woza people because they are amazing.